Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save plans with ClickUp, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you are logged into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your plans are located. Locate the specific project or list you want to save. Open the project or list by clicking on it. At the top right corner, find the three dots menu icon. Click on the three dots to reveal additional options. Select the Save as Template option from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up window, give your template a clear and descriptive name. You can also add a description for better clarity. Make sure to choose the appropriate permissions for this template. If necessary, select whether to include tasks, custom fields, and other elements. Click the Save button to finalize your template creation. To access your saved templates, navigate back to the main ClickUp dashboard. Click on the Templates option in the left sidebar. Here, you'll see all your saved templates for easy access. To use a saved template, click on the one you want to apply. Select Use Template to start a new project based on it. Customize the new project as needed before finalizing it. You can now efficiently save and utilize plans with ClickUp. This process helps streamline your workflow and save time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.